Hey guys, this is V and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Nadia from Coffee with Nadia, and her co-host is Glamour Ellen. Today I want to show you how you can take glam pieces, what is considered glam pieces, and do farmhouse with it just by adding a few pieces or taking away a few pieces. Today I am showing you my china cabinet that I painted, and that's the look of it now, but before it was done in a cherry wood type finish. And what I did was I painted it in champagne gold. That's what it looks like before. Painted it in champagne gold, and I add some mirror knobs to the piece. The hardware that was on it was in a bronze, so I wanted to zhuzh it up and make it into something different. My furniture have very good lines, and they are solid wood, and I don't believe that they make them like this anymore. But I'm going to show you just with some chicken wire, putting the glass in the piece, and going into my stash in the garage in my white dish cabinet and pulling a few pieces out of here, going ahead and styling this china cabinet out. Now I have tureens that I could use, soup tureens. I have some platters. Also could put out some plates and gravy boat. So I'm gonna just showing you how some of the stuff I have it stored, and that's just one of the cabinet, guys. So let me take these pieces in and go inside and show you where we could go from this to that shiny fabulousness right here. So I already put some plates in here, and they could be dinner plates but also serving plates. So I even them off, put 6 on each side of them, and then I'm gonna go in with some other pieces. Here are the soup tureen gravy bowls, some other plates and bowls and different types and shape. Guys, what's a farmhouse like white dishes? Yes, it could be white chippy dishes or just plain old white dishes. So here I'm showing you how I started the upper level of this and putting out the soup tureen. Here is the second level. I'm going to put this one in the middle and just finish styling the china cabinet out, make sure that I have symmetry and everything is centered. And to the end I will show you how I put the chicken wire on the door. Here is some of the dishes. And what's a farmhouse other than white dishes? To me, blue and white, lace. I can see silver, copper in farmhouse. And you could upscale it. So this is how I display some of the pieces. As you see, what farm and you don't have a cow, and then farmhouse, you have writing on things. This is a little jar I got from the Dollar Tree. It says bless on it, and I think this is farmhouse all the way. I think I might be just doing it literally, because I see a couple things here that need to be on the farm, like for instance Mr. Cow, a honey pot, also a lace piece that my pedestal is a lace piece, bringing in the silver, eggs, egg tray, milk carton, jugs. And on some farm you might make a little bit of preserve and have a cute little bowl for it. Here's the other cow. The cow was purchased. It's a creamer and it was purchased from Ross. Here is another little white bowl. And guys, as you see that everything is not the same shape, but because it's white, it's just beautiful and cohesive. In Farmhouse, you may find Crystal. She might be that fancy that she, you go on the farm, it's like, what, Green Acres. She was fancy, right? And she didn't want to leave Park Avenue, but, showing some fabulosity. Here I have some egg cups and I'm going to put them in there. Also, here are some eggs. We are being fabulous on the farm. So here is the eggs. I'll put in the egg cup and let me display them inside the china cabinet for you. So now in the distance there you see eggs. You see we even have butter. There's butter on the farm. So I think, well, the only thing that I haven't come up with is like some greenery, but the farm, it has a lot of stuff. It's a working farm and it is beautiful, majestic in white. So here are a few pieces. I'm gonna let you go ahead and just view the space. Also to the end, I will show you how I add the chicken wire to make my farmhouse decor and styling. Anyway, I would like to say thank you to Coffee with Nadia and Glamour Ellen. Thanks for hosting. And guys, there will be a playlist of all of the other participants. And I'm just loving this farmhouse style. This glamorous farmhouse. We will call it Green Acres 5th Avenue Farmhouse. We doing fabulosity. So this is how it is looking now that I put the wire on the inside. What's a farmhouse but pulling out some blue and white dishes? Yes, this was already in my breakfast room under the cabinet, but no, I'm styling the cabinet. I'm like, let me show my friends. Between every piece of dish, there's either a doily or some napkins so it wouldn't scratch. So here I go. Now in the farmhouse, we really take care of our things. Now, these are some plate racks. You call them plate racks, right? So here's some plate racks that I use to store my dishes. At one point, I had them stacked like this, and I zip tie them. This is a trick that you could also use. And zip tie them, and instead of going horizontal and you need space, I think this works very well for me because I would not have to lift up every dish to get the dish in the bottom if I just separate them by style. So as you see, I zip tie this together. Now I'm going to go ahead and just cut out the excess. And I got my zip ties from the Dollar Tree. You could get you some. And if the farmer is on there and he tried to get away, you could zip tie him too. I'm sorry. And you put your dishes there. Oh Lord, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Do not zip tie your husband. And now I'm going to show you how I put the dishes away. It's just easy for me to reach in there and grab the pattern that I want in the blue and white. Come back and I will show you how I'm able to store my napkin rings, and they're not bunched on each other, but just an easy storage idea. Look at all of that chicken wire. Yeah, she did that, right? Yeah, she did that. Yeah, I talk to myself a lot. Hear me, no mind. Anywho, look at the chicken wire, and this is a farmhouse piece, but it's also is glamorous and fabulous. I said fabulous. That's my word. And guys, I am just loving the mirror. You might see me here looking all types of ways. Here is the other one. I think this one octagon match dish bottom shape perfectly. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Bye bye. Again, don't forget to go to Nadia's and Glamour Ellen channel. Bye bye, for real this time.